Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Ensure you have an administrator account on the Mac before enabling Filevault. Verify you can log in using that administrator account right now. Connect the Mac to power and the internet during encryption to avoid interruptions. Check that Filevault is supported on your Mac model and Mac OS version. Filevault uses XDSAES 128 encryption with a 256-bit key for disk protection. Decide whether you will store the recovery key in iCloud or save it offline on paper. Open System Settings and go to Privacy and Security to find Filevault. Scroll to the Filevault section and click Turn on Filevault to begin. The Mac will prompt you to authenticate using your administrator password. Choose to store the recovery key in iCloud or create a local recovery key and write it down. If you create a local recovery key, keep it offline and secure, like in a safe or password manager. The Mac may require a restart to begin the encryption process immediately. Allow the Mac to finish encryption while left connected to power and internet. Encryption time varies by drive size and data amount, so be patient and monitor progress. Test a restart and log in to confirm Filevault unlocks with your password and administrator account. If you enabled iCloud recovery, verify your Apple ID can unlock the Mac if needed. If you created a local recovery key, store the key offline and in a secure location you can access. Remember that losing both password and recovery key will make data recovery impossible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.